Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Park Supply Company. Today I have for you 2015 Bobcat MT55 mini rubber track skid steer loader. This unit's in really good condition. It has 770 hours. We've just done a complete service on this machine. Engine oil, fuel, hydraulic, air filters. And we did end up going through the complete bottom of the undercarriage. And we did put all new pins, brass bushings or bronze bushings in the undercarriage. It's all brand new, all OEM Bobcat parts, and we cleaned it up with track frames. Other than that, very good machine. All white paint. Starting here under the hood. I do apologize about the wind. There might be a bunch of people say they can't hear us. I do apologize. So this unit is powered by a Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs very well. There is no abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything of that nature. And again, we have done a complete and full service. And here's your tandem pumps, fuse holder, steering mechanism, radiator overflow, fuel tank, and radiator cap. The hood itself is in very nice shape. It's not cracked or split or smashed in. It's in very nice shape and it's clean. Auxiliary hydraulics. You'll see there is some concrete residue spatter here on the front. Other than that, again, the white paint is all original. Does come with a good Bobcat brand 44-inch general purpose bucket. Again, undercarriage, we've done both sides. All new pins, bushings, rollers, made sure everything took grease. And you do have to grease these bottom rollers. It's just the nature of a Bobcat MT series. It's a good design. There again, as long as you keep the grease gun after it. It does have matching Bridgestone Tracks, and I'd estimate those to be right around 65%. Show you here on the other side real quick. They both match up. It does have a factory Bobcat ride platform with it. Hydraulic level is right where it's supposed to be. Orange paint is all original. Very simple on the controls for Bobcat MT. Forward, reverse, left, right, up, down, curl and uncurl. Auxiliary hydraulic with detent. Parking brake, key switch, volt, fuel, temp. And again, 770 hours. I'm going to go ahead and start this machine, show you everything it's supposed to do. works and handles very well. Steering is very nice, it's tight. Control is very well. It is very, very precise. It's not all slopped up in the steering or anything like that. Does have the standard mini skid steer quick attach, so that's going to interface with Bobcat 463 S70, MT50, MT52, 55, and the MT85 with the quick attach style that has. The 85 also has a Toro Dingo style mount available. So this is a 2015 Bobcat MT55 mini rubber track skid steer loader with ride platform, 44-inch bucket, 770 hours. Nice, clean, straight machine. Keep in mind, this is a 2015. So when you sold an 08, really no difference. But keep in mind, again, this is a 2015. 658-066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Before I forget, check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark's Supply 88. Again, as always, thanks for checking out Mark's Supply Company. We can be reached at 814-658-3066. Have a great day.